Deputy Chris Jones with the San Bernardino County Sheriff's Department. We partnered up with Desert Cleanse Project with what they've been doing with this nonprofit organization. So we came out today to work out with them, and he can give you more information of their organization.
Oh yeah, I'm Colin Sauter, and this is my wife Jill. We do the Desert Cleanse Project. I've been picking up trash my whole life. My family were rangers and we did this forever, but I just started kind of paying attention 2 years ago. We started keeping our dump receipts. We're at 94,000 pounds as of yesterday. And I'm sure this is probably another 1,000 here. So, and then the dumpster we filled up. I picked up 550 tires last year, 600 pounds of nails off the lake bed with magnets. I also cleaned the graffiti off Giant Rock last year when it was painted gold. Basically, we go around and pick up trash. We help out homeless people, give them food and water, and clean up their trash for them, and keep BLM lands open for everybody to off-road. We're avid off-roaders, that's what we do. So we just like to keep the place open for everybody. 29 Palms to Morongo Valley to Barstow to everywhere. I've done cleanups down the hill. I've done cleanups in Arizona. There's some of our fans right there. We've done cleanups in Arizona and where else? Arizona, Nevada, Utah. Pretty much everywhere we go, we're cleaning up trash.
You can't stop.
I have a job that pays the bills in the daytime. I have a job that pays the bills at night where I go and help people with mental health, and so does she. She's a mental health worker as well. And then I do desert cleanup probably more than I do both of those combined. And so it's just, I don't know, it's kind of an addiction. The lady in the paper asked me, and I said we basically do it just so we can become karmatically neutral. And that's about it. I broke 2 trucks, 3 trailers, bought a new Army trailer, bought a new truck. I already put 11,000 miles on that, and I haven't even had it 2 months yet. So we average about 5,000 miles a month in trash cleanup. That is mostly my money. Some people do donate money, and last year Cliffhanger Guides actually paid our insurance and gas almost all year. Falken Tires is one of our sponsors. Yay, Falken Tires, because we were blowing out trailer tires every day, so I haven't had a flat since then. It's pretty awesome. There's Casey Lights, Falken Tires, Roto Packs, Weld's Taco is a single guy. He makes the rack. We got hydro tanks, power tanks. Desert Squadron has got the trauma packs. Overland Bound. I mean, it's so many people. I'd literally have to get a list. They all came out at the same time. It was kind of weird. It was like I just started asking for corporate sponsors like 3 months ago. So it was pretty quick. Total Chaos, Deaver Leafs, I mean, a lot of people. So Duro Bumps is actually here picking up trash right over there. So that's cool. Yeah, it's kind of overwhelming, honestly, because I really don't ask people for help. So I have the Falken Wild Peak MT mud terrain tires on my M101A2 trailer. It's 1,500 pounds. It can haul 3,000 pounds on road. It can do about 2,200 pounds off road. I haven't got a flat yet, and everybody seems to really like them. They do well in the dirt, even drifting sometimes, because I have fun in that truck and trailer. But I've had absolutely no issues, and the most weight I've had in it so far is about 2,200 pounds plus the 1,500, so they're hauling their weight. The whole kind of statement or mission or whatever was to show that one person can make a difference. I always heard that, one person can't make a difference, and I'm out here every day showing that one person could pick up 50,000 pounds of trash in a year with no problem. Like, I haven't even tried yet. So, without even trying, I'm picking up this much trash. It's pretty easy for other people to do it. Pack in, pack out is a thing that we don't preach anymore, I guess, because I don't see it anymore. It used to be real big when I was a kid 100 years ago, and we would pack in and pack out. If you brought it, you take it with you. And usually we would try to take more trash with us. That seems to be the exact opposite. And if you have these things, these are the worst. please take these with you. Like, that's about the worst thing that I pick up is those things on a daily basis. And so that easy ups are the worst. I wish they were never invented. And yet I have one over here. And I found that actually on the lake bed. That easy up is trash that I recycled. So that's the second trash easy up I found on the lake bed. I think I found the table that we have our stuff on the lake bed. Half the art that's in my house is trash, you know. So you can do something with it, you know. Look at the car. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, that's perfect. My name is Colin, and I am the Desert Cleanse Project, and you can find me at the Desert Cleanse Project on Instagram or Facebook. You can also donate to our Venmo, which is Desert Cleanse Project, or we have Cash App and Zelle and all that crap too. So just, yeah, keep the desert clean, and that's what we're doing.